Hello inventors, I am working on this AI drawing app using MIT App Inventor. So you can see that's our app here. There's one button called alley and text and fill. Here you can see the pen, red, yellow, black, blue, eraser. Now if you want to draw something here like from red color like this, you can like this, from black color like this. Now if you want to draw the circle, so if I just draw circle like this, so I'm not able to draw proper circle. So how can I do that? We just need to click anywhere in the screen first. Let me just draw my circle, suppose in the top here. So let me just click on that and just call Ali, draw the circle. See, here is a circle. If you just want to draw something, your name or something, so you just need to put your name. Suppose let's just put the coding boss, and I'm just calling here Ali to again draw the text. Okay, actually I have to move that text somewhere, so let me just draw the text here, suppose that point. Okay, we just need to click on or something, touch somewhere, like suppose here, and let's just try again the coding box and try draw the text. You can see the coding bus is here. It means you can point like where you want to draw circle, where you want to draw your text. You can change color like black, yellow, blue. You can see the fill option. That is, if you just want to draw the circle without filling, like you can see that the fill circle. Let me just draw another circle without fill, unfill circle. I have just changed and click somewhere around that in the top, and let's try call to Ali, draw the circle. See, that is without filling, right? So that type of circle you can draw here. And if you want to use eraser, so just click on that eraser and use this like eraser, like see, that is. So we can make this drawing app more advanced using more functions. So let me just comment what type of feature you really need in this type of app. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have some doubt, you can answer on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.